got a new part out here, guys. This is the part number, and here's the box. We're gonna give it a review and see if it works or not. People say it does, some people say it doesn't. Let's try it out ourselves and we'll see. I mean, it's a pretty cheap part I picked up for 40 bucks around there off of eBay, so let's see if it actually does something or not. Let's open it up and see what's actually inside the box. Not even a minute in, I cut myself already. Comes like this, and it's empty. That's it. Let's see what this. Okay. Comes with the bolts and hardware for the throttle body, the spacer itself, and it says what side goes where. This is the throttle side, and I think that's about it. That's nothing else. Oh, and gasket, little gasket right here. Throw on there as well. And I don't think these are instructions, are they? Yeah, it even comes with like instructions and stuff how to do it. Pretty cheap part if it actually does something here. That'll be pretty dope, you know. Let's see how it goes. This is basically what's going to be needed: a 8mm and a 10. And that in case, just in case. Take these two 8s out if you have an intake, and it's going to be 10mm, 10, 10, 10. That's it. And for this, you really don't need a special tool or anything. Just this will do the trick. That's it. My daughter out here watching me from the window. She would be out here, but it's kind of cold today, so Sherry's like helping me. I took this little boot off, and that's basically it. You use the bolts that come with the new kit, and it should be good. Second shot, the annoying whistling sound is out. I thought it was going to be like that forever. I'm thinking I'm driving a little bit. Turns out it wasn't that tight. The gasket was a little bit off. I mean, these things are not built that good. It's cheap, but it's not making the annoying noise anymore. This shit sounded like a vacuum. Seems to be good now. So we'll take it for running a little bit.